morning, guys. This is Phil from Astro Auto Repairs in West Babylon, New York. Today I'm going to show you how to read your codes in your vehicle without a code reader.
This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys and girls, before we begin this video, first say hi to Emmett. What's up? Alright, before we begin the video, you gotta tell Phil he's got to have on his pink gloves. Pink gloves is our support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, October. So for the whole month of October, we're gonna be wearing pink gloves. Alright, so he's got to get that down packed. Alright, let's get to the video.
I've had a problem with my 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. I changed the crankshaft position sensor yesterday. It was good for one day, and then my service engine light started flashing again. So what I'm going to do is show you how to read the codes in your vehicle without a code reader. Now what we're going to do is focus on is down here where the mileage is. Okay, you're going to take your key, and you're going to turn your key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You're going to leave it on, and the code's going to come up on the bottom of the screen. Ready? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's one code, P0315. 0420 0300 0521 0335. And now we're done. So that's how you read the codes in a 2006 Dodge Ram Hemi 1500. Instead of getting your car to a dealer to try and have them read it and pay these ridiculous prices, just a little hack. Just to let you guys know. All right. Again, this is Phil from Astro Auto Repairs. Have a good day.
Yeah, check that out. Alright guys and girls, the purpose of that video is not to diagnose anything, it is to show you how to check your check engine light on a 2006 Dodge Ram pickup 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi. And this procedure will work on a lot of the newer Chryslers. On a lot of the older Chryslers, it will not work. You're going to do the same thing now. 1, 2, 3. But this, at that time, only your check engine light is going to flash. And what I mean by that, what it's going to do, and it's not going to give you P0420. It's not going to do that. What it's going to do is give you the OEM diagnostic codes, which is 2 digits. And it's not going to show it, it's going to flash it. So, if your code, let's say if your code comes out to be a 23, you pay attention to your check engine light. Your check engine light is going to go 1, 2, and that's going to represent the tens digit, the 2, 20. And then, once it does that, it's going to go 1, 2, 3. Represent code 23. That's on the old one. This is a new one, and it's not going to do it. Now, what I need you, or what we need for you to take away from this video. 1, this saves you time and money from going to the dealership or the repair shops that will charge you. And believe it or not, guys, a lot of people don't know AutoZone and Advance does it for free. They take it to the shop. This saves you some money. As long as you know that code, then you go on Google or go to YouTube. Especially, what's that channel? Astro Auto Repairs. Yeah, go to that channel with that code and they will help and guide you through fixing your car. Alright, now, going to AutoZone or Advance. Some people, the car's not running. They can't get it down there, especially for a crank sensor. The car might not be running. But doing that procedure will lead them to the crankshaft positioning sensor. Now, what happened? What the heck going on? The last video Phil did was he replaced the crankshaft positioning sensor, power came back, truck was great for 1 full day. Now this will happen. This happened. What happened? And not to put down AutoZone, but I think they really need to go back to the drawing board on this. Their crank sensors for Chryslers, I don't know, there's something to them. They don't last, they break down. I'm not gonna say garbage. I don't want to put them down like that, but they really need to invest in a little more research in that. So what we're gonna do on this one is go online or go to another auto parts store and get a better brand. I like Denso or Chrysler would be, you know, Mopar. That'd be the best way to go about doing that, and then he's not gonna have this problem again. Now to the video, man. He got to do an intro. We need to see him. We need to see. Yo, this is Phil from Astro Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? That's how you gotta do it. That's how you gotta do the beginning of it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Phil from Astro Auto Repairs. Today, we got 2006. That's how you gotta do it. Yeah, 5 is the ending. You got an ending. You gotta have your ending. It ain't gotta be like that. It could be something of your own. Do your own style, man. You in New York, man. You in the capital of the world. I'm down here in the South. Picking cotton and all. Anyway, check it. You guys say, alright. There you go. This is Phil from Astro Repairs. Have any comments or questions, be sure to put them in the comments section below, or you can email Tim at tim@astroautorepairs.com. You know, do your own thing. And then, this is the main part. This is Phil from Astro Auto Repairs. This is the main part right here. This is what sets us apart from everybody. If we can't repair it, nobody can. You got to say that. You got to say that. Alright, guys. Help Phil out. Put it in the comment section below. Don't be up there saying, "Oh, great video, my golly, Phil." No. Tell us, okay, yeah. You know, the way he talks in there is great. I mean, you can't ask for no better than that. I mean, the speech is right on, man. He explained everything in I mean, it was perfect. Now get that beginning, get that opening, and get the ending. Yeah, then we can really go ahead for this. And we gotta get you that Autel AL539B. I'm gonna send that to you so you can start doing this and you start diagnosing the crank sensor using that, and the PO420. We're gonna get in that a lot later, guys and girls. Alright, so if you have any comments or questions, be sure to put them in the comments section below, or you can email me direct to tim@astroautorepairs.com. Guys, girls, this is Timmy and Phil, West Babylon, New York. If we can't repair it, nobody can. We'll see you next time.